Hey there, future agripreneurs. Welcome back to your hydroponic adventure. Today, we're diving into a crucial phase of your business, identifying potential customers and crafting a killer market strategy. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. Part 1, researching your local markets. The first stop on our journey is local markets. Let's understand what's buzzing in our neighborhood and see what people are craving. It's time to put your detective hats on and get some insights. Our local markets are like treasure troves of information. What's popular, what's in high demand. Let's be keen observers and soak in the market dynamics. It's the first step to understanding our community's appetite. Now let's talk trends. What catches your eye? Are there any particular fruits, vegetables, or herbs that stand out? Maybe it's a surge in interest for organic or locally sourced produce. Identifying these trends gives us a clue about what our community is craving. Let's be trend spotters. Our best informants, the shoppers themselves. Let's strike up conversations with potential customers. What are their preferences? Any specific challenges they face in sourcing fresh produce? These insights are gold as we craft our hydroponic journey. Part 2, finding your niche. Now let's get specific. What's going to make your hydroponic produce stand out? Maybe it's a unique variety of a crop that's in high demand. Let's find your niche. But first things first, understanding market needs. What are people craving? Is it a specific herb, a rare vegetable, or a staple that's always in demand? Let's explore the market trends and find the sweet spot that's ready for your hydroponic touch. Now, let's talk variety. Hydroponic gives us the power to grow a fascinating range of crops. Are there unique varieties that stand out? Perhaps it's a vibrant color, a distinct flavor, or even a crop that's not commonly found. Let's explore the beauty of variety. Also, high demand. That's the golden ticket. Are there crops that are consistently sought after? Think about the staples people always put on their grocery list. If we can grow those hydroponically, we're hitting the jackpot. Let's meet the high demand with our hydroponic bounty. Now, let's talk USP, unique selling proposition. What's going to set your hydroponic produce apart? Maybe it's the way you grow it, the freshness factor, or the unique way customers can interact with your produce, like eating it fresh when they want it. Let's make it special and unforgettable. Freshness is key, right? Let's brainstorm innovative ways to deliver that freshness to our customers. Maybe it's selling live produce so they can harvest it fresh at home. The possibilities are as endless as our hydroponic creativity. Part 3, exploring direct sale opportunities. Who doesn't love a good market day? Consider the direct sale opportunities like pop-up stands in your front yard, farmers markets, and even doorstep deliveries. Let's bring the freshness straight to our customers. So picture this, your very own pop-up stand right in your front yard. It's like your hydroponic garden stepping into the spotlight. Arrange your produce, set up a charming display, and let the freshness speak for itself. Pop-up stands are like mini markets at your doorstep. Think about farmers markets. They're the heartbeat of local communities. Consider joining one and being part of the market excitement. It's a fantastic opportunity to showcase your hydroponic bounty, connect with customers face to face, and immerse yourself in the vibrant market culture. Now, let's talk convenience. Doorstep deliveries. Imagine your customers' delight when they receive a box of fresh hydroponic goodness right at their doorstep. It's like a surprise gift of health and flavor. Let's explore the art of delivering freshness to their doorsteps. For the adventurous agripreneur, how about a mobile market? Load up a cart with your hydroponic treasures and take your market to different locations, whether it's a park, events, or even neighborhood gatherings. Let's roll our way to fresh success. Part 4, creating purchase agreements. It's time to get official by creating simple purchase agreements. It's not just about selling veggies, it's about building lasting relationships. Let's make it official and commitment worthy. Why purchase agreements, you ask? Well, they're like the roots of a strong plant, providing stability and structure. Purchase agreements set clear expectations, ensuring both you and your customers are on the same page. It's about building trust and making the buying experience seamless. Now, let's talk design. You keep it simple yet impactful. A well-designed purchase agreement is easy to understand and reflects the professionalism of your hydroponic business. Let's make paperwork as fresh as our produce. I will provide a generic purchase agreement template in the comments section below. The key ingredients in your purchase agreement: is the terms and conditions. Be crystal clear about pricing, delivery schedules, and any policies you want your customers to be aware of. It's about transparency and creating a smooth transaction journey. First up, who better to taste your hydroponic delights than your family and friends? They're your initial supporters helping you get off the ground and will be your first signers of your purchase agreement. As time goes on, you'll broaden your horizons. Let's cherish those first relationships as we grow together. Part 5. Leveraging online and social media. Now let's go digital. Create a logo and hit those social media platforms. Instagram, Facebook, X, wherever our customers are, that's where we need to be. Let's showcase our hydroponic goodness online, but keep it safe. No addresses or personal information. Let your parents be the digital guardians, monitoring your social media accounts. Part 6. Implementing customer acquisition strategies. It's time to spread the word. From word-of-mouth magic to special promotions, let's get creative. Every customer is a seed that helps our hydroponic business grow. First, the good old word-of-mouth magic. Imagine every happy customer becoming your ambassador, spreading the news about your fresh hydroponic produce. Now, let's spice things up with special promotions. Everyone loves a good deal, right? What kind of promotions can we offer to attract new customers and keep our loyal ones coming back for more? Let's think outside the box. Ever heard of loyalty programs? They're like magic beans for your business. How can we reward our customers for their loyalty? Maybe a loyalty card that gives them a free bunch of greens after a certain number of purchases. Let's cultivate customer loyalty. Our generation loves scrolling, right? It's time to leverage social media. How can we create engaging content? Maybe a guess the crop game or behind the scenes look at your hydroponic setup. Let's make our social media bloom with creativity. There you have it, Agripreneurs. Step 3 is all about building connections, signing those purchase agreements, and crafting a strategy that fits your style. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments your thoughts and ideas for growing your market. And guess what's coming next in our hydroponic journey? It's step 4, finding a mentor. Trust me, this is a game changer. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss out. Happy cultivating, Agripreneurs.